President Ramaphosa, siyeza nakuwe inel building. We told President Ramaphosa that we will go out in numbers and do door-to-door for the ANC to be voted in. But it's not on an empty check. We went to the youth of South Africa and told them that the ANC leadership led by Ramaphosa will create jobs. By its anniversary 100 years, I committed to him towards elections. Maybe he thought I was joking. That if he does not resolve the structure of the economy in this country to reflect the majority of the economy of this country, we mobilize the youth of all corners of this country to go and close down Union Building and install ourselves as the leaders. If by December there is no clear direction, we have resolved that I'm going to install myself as the president of this country. It is clear that we can live better than him.